Alright guys, it is Blockchain coming at you with another technical analysis update. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Corey, aka Blockchain. Starting off on my website, blockchaintrading.com. The link is below. Biggest thing I want to highlight in there is a quick description of the exclusive Discord that we have in there for technical analysis, options alerts, and crypto alerts. So no matter what market you're in, we have you covered. So a little intro about us. The three different levels of membership between the monthly, yearly, and lifetime. Starting off on the yearly, you actually get the full six segmented trading class that I have that covers a lot of the trading essentials that I use in my technical analysis, so you can follow along with me. And then, of course, the #1 trading strategy that I use for free. Just fill this little guy out, and I'll send you a video demonstration on my #1 trading strategy that is consistent, profitable, reliable, and applicable to any market. So make sure you guys get in there and check it out, as well as with a couple testimonials here. So definitely get on and check it out. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the Discord. So let's go ahead, and speaking of which, I guess the Discord, let's take a quick look so that way you guys can see what's going on in there. So from a crypto perspective, we have KJ. He alerted us of a 122% gainer today. And then in the traditional markets, if you missed the last week, we have... Where is it? Where's his rundown? These are all the ones he had today. So last week he actually had like 3% or 3,000% confirmed profits from his calls last week. 2,000 the week before, 1,500 the week before. So just absolutely killing it. And then of course, and you can see some of our members' gains that we have here. So actually a couple option calls that I've had there. I had 1,000% gainer from my technical analysis that I posted. MDU Chow, sitting quite nicely with over 30,000% profit on some of his trades that he's been in. So all good stuff. So hopefully I'll catch you guys in there. But let's go ahead and dive into the charts. All right, guys, quick update. I'm going to cover a couple things from yesterday, as well as a few things from the Discord here. So today, the bulls definitely showed up on the crypto space here. So to recap where I was looking at yesterday, all in all, I was looking for a little bit of a bounce. I was looking for some potential divergence to play out, and definitely in the Discord gave the group an update where I was basically going to be laddering some entries basically on a smaller time frame from the 2 hour. And let me just go and pull it up real quick. So what I was looking for here on the 2 hour was to bounce off of the 200 SMA on the 2 hour, as well as break the RSI trend line from right here. So I gave the group an update yesterday as well as this morning, and we got that break and we got continuation. So super good to see for a bullish perspective, because we're bouncing right there on the pivot. So what I want to call out right now is the daily will close in 30 minutes and 32 seconds. As long as we are remaining above basically 45,600, we will have an official close back above the 200 SMA and regain that support, as well as the resistance we had right here at 46.1 and 45,850. So as long as we hold this level, all looks good for continuation to the upside. We're also getting the VWAP to curl back up, and we are about to get a buy signal here on the Market Liberator B. Let's see. Those are probably the biggest callouts that I want to have and show right now. For ETH, let's go ahead and just kind of do the same thing. So yep, we got a nice little support bounce here as well. VWAP curling back up. Let's see, we get another nice little buy signal, and back above the R2 support at 3,100. So all is good to see. We also got another green little money flow, positive money flow index. We got the same thing on Bitcoin as well, and we do have a new moon phase coming up on the 22nd. A full moon is generally been fairly bullish, and that is something I'll be looking for. So that's Sunday, the 22nd. So looking to hold this area as support, and hopefully have continuation. So for ETH, I'm looking for some upside targets, and I'd probably say, I mean, obviously the next one is 3670 that I'd be looking for, but ultimately for this, what I'm looking at is a finish off of wave 3 will get us back up to 4700 as we go on and carry through. Bitcoin, I am looking for, again, some more upside targets as well. Sorry, I'm flipping back and forth between charts here, guys. But the next one that I am looking for, next big one that I'm looking for anyway, is back up here to 63, which was right up here at the top. There's another one, 54, I want to say 53. So between 50 and 53, that's going to be my next most immediate zone that I'm going to be looking for to fill. But depending on the wave structure overall that plays out, it's either that this is a wave 1 right here all together, or this right here is wave 1. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th, and this was the wave 2, and then looking to start a wave 3. So there's a couple things that need to see play out first, and a couple things to fill. But wave 3 is generally the most strongest and the most aggressive out of the bunch. You can see right here, this was overall the wave 3. Within the wave 3, no matter if this was the 1 or this entire thing is the 1. So you can see it's the most aggressive. So I think, and that's what we're about to get into, if this is either a wave 2 and the start of wave 3, or this is a wave 2 right here, and we're about to start a wave 1 inside of the wave 3. So all good things for the bulls to stay on top of. We're staying inside the bullish control zone as well, and we'll look for a little bit of a bounce right here on the bottom, as well as the fast and slow EMAs to have a little bounce on each other as well. So overall looks good. Don't really want to lose this level from where we're at, but it looks like 26 minutes we will have that official close. So hopefully I'll catch you guys in the Discord. Lots of good calls, lots of good information, and I'll catch you on the next video.